Xiaomi has unveiled a new smart home gadget that tries to replace several appliances at once. Called the Mijia Instant Hot Water Dispenser, Ice Maker, it's part water dispenser, part ice maker, part kettle, and even works as a thermos-style hot water station. Xiaomi has also made installation fairly flexible. If you already have a water purifier at home, the machine can connect directly to it for automatic refilling. If not, there's a removable 2.6-liter water tank that can be filled manually. That should make it easier to place in a kitchen, office, or even a living room without worrying about plumbing. The ice-making system sounds surprisingly capable as well. According to Xiaomi, the machine can produce a batch of 5 6G ice cubes in as little as 10 minutes in fast mode, while the standard mode produces 5 larger 10G cubes in around 15 minutes. The storage compartment can hold 45 to 55 cubes and keeps them chilled for about 5 hours. Hot water is available almost instantly thanks to a 2050W heating system, with Xiaomi claiming a wait time of just 3 seconds. Users can choose from several preset temperatures, while those using the Mi Home app can adjust water temperature more precisely between 40 degrees Celsius and 90 degrees Celsius. There's quite a bit of attention paid to hygiene too. The company says the machine uses separate UV sterilization systems for both ice and cold water, along with high-temperature pipe cleaning to reduce bacteria buildup. Features like automatic draining and cold water circulation are also designed to keep the system fresh during long-term use. Other extras include a color display for monitoring settings, child lock protection, app connectivity, and operating noise below 35 dB during fast ice production. The new device is scheduled to go on sale in China on June 15th. Its retail price is 3,299 yuan, although Xiaomi will offer it at a discounted launch price of 2,969.1 yuan. It's probably not a product everyone needs, but Xiaomi seems to be targeting people who want one appliance to handle drinking water, hot beverages, and ice without cluttering their countertop with multiple machines. For smaller apartments or offices, that idea may actually make a lot of sense.